Hi Sakafete, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today it's a Rasta pasta kind of day. So I'm gonna cook and I'm inviting you guys to join me in my kitchen and let's cook together. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I have a pot here. I'm gonna turn the stove on and I'm gonna heat up the pot. Now here I have my pot, it's already boiling. I'm gonna cook some pasta in there. And I'm gonna cook the pasta so it's ready when I need it. So I'm just gonna pour this into the boiling water. See, and I'm doing some both Thai pasta. So I'm just gonna pour it all in. Just give it a stir. Okay, and I'm gonna let that cook for a few minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna get this going. So this pasta says to cook it for 15 minutes, but I'll probably do it for about 14 minutes. I want it al dente. So I don't want it too soft when I put it in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. We're gonna get our chicken going. And I'm doing it with chicken today. Put some butter in there. And let it heat up. And this is my chicken, guys. So I have some chicken breast. This has been soaked, seasoned, and marinated in some jerk seasoning. Marinating it for about an hour, but you can do it longer if you want. Now my oil and butter mixture is nice and hot. Time to put the chicken. So I'm just gonna put that in there. And we're gonna cook that down. With that chicken, I'm gonna just turn them. Oh, so that chicken is cooking down nicely, and I'm gonna make sure that chicken is well cooked before I add anything else to it, because you don't want chicken that's not well done. And you can smell that jerk seasoning. You know, this is my favorite jerk seasoning. If you want to know what my favorite jerk seasoning is, leave a comment below and let me know what yours is, and then I'll let you know what mine is. Okay, guys? But this one is good. It's the best. It really is. See, no red. Oh, yeah, it's cooked. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we can add our peppers. The chicken is done. I can now add the onions, all the veggies. I got some mushrooms, some garlic, and bell peppers. And I'm just gonna add them all in there and cook them down with the chicken. No, I'm not adding any liquid yet because I'm going to add some cream. And the cream will be my liquid. It's going to cook it. Okay, so the mushrooms are cooking down. Everything's nice. Look at that. I'm not going to overcook them now because they're going to cook with the cream. So at this stage, I'm going to add some cream. I don't want to let my veggies soggy. So I'm just going to pour it in. Cover, because the pasta is gonna soak it all up. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's good. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock, not too much, and I have a little bit of Italian seasoning, some black pepper, and a little bit of the Goya, just a bit, not too much. Okay, And that's it, guys. I'm gonna just let that cook down, stir it up. And I'm using a light cream, not a heavy one. I know it's cream, but we're still watching the calories. Okay, and you're gonna let that cook. I'm gonna take a little bit of the water, just in case I need to thin this out. So I'm gonna just take a cup and take some out before I drain it. Okay, so just a cup, half a cup. I think that should be enough. And that's gonna go here, this plate. And now I'm just gonna drain it so it doesn't overcook. Yeah. Oh, it's delicious. I could put a little more of the chicken stock, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm not even gonna take a spoon. Just pour it like this. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it tastes really good. Then, when it's about done, I'm gonna add cheese. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put some cheese in here, and this is some Parmesan cheese. Just gonna make sure I put lots of that. On it nice and cheesy. And I have some Italiano cheese. So it's a mix of mozzarella and provolone and mozzarella and provolone. Okay, that's what it is. It says 4 cheese blend. So I think it's just a little of that. I'm gonna mix that. Make sure it's well mixed together. And then now I can add my pasta to that. So in goes the pasta. And just make sure my pot is big enough. That smells so good. And I'm going to add some parsley to it, fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. Let's give it a stir. So my pasta is all done. I did sprinkle some more Parmesan cheese on top, and now I'm just going to garnish it with some parsley, fresh parsley. I just pick it right from my garden. And look how pretty that looks, guys. And it tastes so delicious and such a quick meal. It's, you know, like one of those days you get home and you're in a rush and you want to just do a quick dinner. Something really tasty, lots of flavor, but quick and easy. And that's it. And here it is, guys, our delicious Rasta pasta. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day and God bless.